Lesson 25, Basic Rules of Probability, Example 8. What percentage of students in the Sierra College Elementary Statistics Student Survey were either male or rated their mathematics ability as below average? Well, here we want to find the percentage that were either male or below average in math. The or means we count one or the other. So we can count the number of students who are either male or either rated their math ability as below average. Dividing that frequency by the total number of students in the survey and multiplying by 100% would give us the percentage. Now, question 1 on the student survey asked the students what was their gender, and question 3 asked how would you rate your ability as a mathematics student. Males were coded with the number 1, and below average was coded with the number 1. So looking at the student survey under question 1 and question 3, if we count all the ones and ones, we would count the number of students who were male and rated their math ability as below average. We did this in the previous example and we found that there were 2 such students. So 2 students were both male and rated their math ability as below average. Now if we go through all the data in the student survey and count the code number 2 for question 1, that would be females. So here we are counting the number of females who also rated their math ability as below average. Here we find that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 students in the survey were females who rated their math ability as below average. We could do this for every other math ability rating and gender, and we can get the following table with the following counts. Here we have the 2 males that rated their math ability as below average, and here we have the 6 females who rated their math ability as below average. Altogether giving us 2 plus 6 or 8 students who rated their math ability as below average. Going through and counting all the other math ability ratings, we see that 11 males rated their math ability as just average and 17 females rated their math ability as just average. 11 plus the 17 gives us 28 students total who rated their math ability as just average. For above average, we see that there were 4 males who rated their math ability as above average and 4 females who rated their math ability as above average. 4 plus 4 gives us 8 total students who rated their math ability as above average. If we add up the number of males and females, we see that there was a total of 17 males in the survey and 27 females in the survey. And 17 male students plus 27 female students gives us a grand total of 44 total students altogether in the entire Sierra College Elementary Statistics Student Survey. So now that we have all the counts for both question 1 and question 3 together, we can answer the original question that said, what percentage of students in the student survey were either male or rated their math ability as below average? Well, here's all the students who were male. Here's all the students who rated their math ability as below average. Here we're joining these events with or. Or means as long as the student fit in either one or the other, they should be counted. So we need to count all the males and all the students who rated their math ability as below average, making sure that we don't count any single student more than once. So here we see that we have 2 plus 11 plus 4 males plus the 6 females who also rated their math ability as below average, giving us a total of 23 students who were either male or rated their math ability as below average out of a total of 44 students. Times 100% gives us 52.3%. Thus, 52.3% of students in the Sierra College Elementary Statistics Student Survey were either male or rated their mathematics ability as below average.